Hi and welcome to this video training. What we're going to be doing within the next 15 lessons, we're going to completely optimize your Google My Business listing. Now, if you've never heard of Google My Business or you're trying to find out more about it, it's the most fantastic way to drive hungry visitors to your shop or your business, or if you're a service provider, it will get people using your services. What it is when people search on Google, you would have seen this yourself, a map pops up with locations on it, giving details of the businesses that are available in that area. Now, if you are not listed on there and you are not using these services, you are giving away traffic to your competition. So stay tuned for the next 15 lessons. Okay, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also the notification button below to make sure that you receive any notifications as soon as I release the other videos. So keep an eye out and they'll be released over the next 2 weeks. I hope you enjoy it all. Thank you.
This course has been created to help you build and optimize your Google My Business listing so that it creates a solid online presence for your business, increases your leads and improves your sales opportunities. There are 15 modules within this course and all are available on YouTube. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel and join me on Facebook to receive loads more free training to generate more leads for your business. Look below this video to find a link to a free PDF showing you step by step how to create and optimize your Google My Business listing. The full course consists of the following modules. Course Introduction, an overview, getting started, creating Google posts, improve your local search visibility, what you need to know, tips and tricks, website builder, tips and tricks, mistakes to avoid, attributes, listing guide, make the most of your reviews, citations, review sites and tracking, tracking traffic data, how to interpret traffic insights, using the Google My Business API. By the end of this course, you will be able to claim, create and verify your Google My Business page, optimize and manage your listing, generate reviews and use the insights to understand your audience and where you can improve your listing to increase traffic to your business. Remember to get your free PDF by clicking in the description below and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next lesson.